All right, so here's the deal. I just put in these new floor mats that I found on Amazon, and they might not be ideal for a lot of you guys. For me, they're kind of perfect because they have that like black and white carbon fiber weave with the red trim, and like I said, for me that's perfect because I do plan on doing a red trim on the interior here.
But hey, if that's not your thing, they do offer a black trim option.
Now, as far as the fit goes, they fit in snug. It's like a perfect fit. So I was a little bit skeptical because I hadn't really seen any reviews when I pulled these up on Amazon. There was no reviews. If I log on there right now, I think I might be the first person to review them. So that's one thing I was a little bit worried about, that they wouldn't fit nicely or that they weren't going to look good, but I actually really like them. They fit really good. The bottom material is similar to the stock or the standard floor mats that come with the car, that kind of like grippy Velcro-y material, but they're not nearly as aggressive as the standard ones that come with your Tesla. But they do have a little bit of stick to them. Really, it's not needed though because they do fit in so nicely. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little glimpse. I know that there's not a lot of floor mats available right now for the Model Y. The ones that I've been looking at, they're all sold out. They're all out of stock. So I went ahead and went with these, and I gotta tell you, I am very pleased. The red looks good. The red looks good. I don't care what you guys say. The one thing, and maybe you can share your opinion down below, the one thing I'm concerned about, not really concerned about, but the one thing I am thinking about is how the red is going to look with this wood grain. And then I do have the wood grain door switch covers coming as well. So we'll see how that all looks with the red.
Let me know down in the comments.
You guys get to see how good of a job I did here. I think it's pretty even. Something oddly satisfying about that, isn't there?
And as far as the red trim goes, the next thing I'm going to do is get red leather seat covers as soon as they become available. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the floor mats. If you are curious, AUTAILORS does offer these same floor mats with a trunk and trunk set. I didn't get them just because I don't like the idea of one large mat covering two compartments. Didn't make a lot of sense to me, but they do offer it. So yeah, thanks again. If you can, subscribe to the channel. If not, hey, I get it. Either way, y'all have a good one. Stay safe, stay sane, and until next time.